Welcome to DSEJ Home Classes, an attempt to connect learner with instructor, a digital initiative by Directorate of School Education, Jammu. Myself, Sabir Hussain, teacher, GHSS, Punch. Hello students, did you hear the news about elephant incident in Kerala? The incident is when a pregnant wild elephant in Silent Valley forest had fallen victim to an act of human cruelty after a pineapple filled with a powerful crackers offered by a man exploded in her mouth when she chomped on it. Have you ever heard of an elephant becoming mountaineer? The story I am going to teach you today is about an elephant named Moti Gaj Mountaineer, written by Rudyard Kipling. And do you know about the mountaineer? A mountaineer is a person who openly rebels against authority. You must have read of soldiers rising in mutiny. But have you ever heard of an elephant becoming a mountaineer? Well, this is the story of such an elephant. His name is Moti Gaj. He is as intelligent, as loyal and loving as any one of us. Yet he rebels. Let us read the story and find out why he becomes a mountaineer, what he does, and how he ceases to be a mountaineer. Introduction about the author. Rudyard Joseph Kipling, 1865 to 1936, was an English writer and Nobel laureate who wrote novels, poems, and short stories. Kipling was born in Bombay, now Mumbai, India, and at the age of 6 was sent to be educated in England. He also wrote magazine stories for children called Plant Tales from the Hills. He received Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907, the first English author to be honored. Kipling died on January 18, 1936 in London. Here is the summary. The story is about a powerful and magnificent elephant referred to as Moti Gaj, who is employed by a coffee planter to uproot stumps in some forest land that is being cleared for coffee planting. This very best of elephants belongs to the terribly worst of mahouts, a drunkard known as Disa. After a tough day's work, Disa continuously gets drunk with a mixed drink, sharing his liquor with the elephant. Disa would often beat the animal when he was drunk, but the Moti Gaj bowed it all, and Disa led Moti Gaj down to the river to wash him once in a week. One day, Disa decides that he should get a break from his workman's toil and decides to go off in search of drunken orgy. He wants himself properly drunk. He asks for permission from the planter, who tells him that he will depart for 10 days. However, on condition that he can instruct Moti Gaj to work under the directions of Chihun, another driver. Disa agrees, and Moti Gaj begins hauling stumps beneath Chihun's care. Chihun was very kind to him, but Moti Gaj felt unhappy and lonely. For 10 days, Moti Gaj works smoothly, and on the 11th day, when Disa doesn't return, the Moti Gaj became mutineer. No threats could make the animal bend. He roamed about the garden, harassed Chihun, chased the planter, and made fun of other elephants. He spoilt the garden and returned to Chihun for food in the evening. Chihun snubbed the elephant and refused to give him food. However, Moti Gaj could not be humiliated like this. He lifted Chihun's child up with his trunk. Chihun immediately submitted, served the elephant food and drink, and got his dear child released. Till finally, at dawn the following day, Disa returns, has a joyous reunion with Moti Gaj, and to the planters' astonishment, they get back to work clearing stumps. Here is the language work. Verbs. A word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence and forming the main part of the predicate of a sentence, such as here, become, happen. The following verbs remain unchanged in the conjugation: quit, let, hit, set, shut, and many more. Second, note the positive, comparative, and superlative degrees of the following adjective. A form of an adjective that indicates a different degree of the attribute the adjective denotes: the positive, comparative, and superlative forms. The degrees of comparison of good are better, best, whereas good is positive, better comparative, and the best superlative. Degrees of comparison: good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, few, fewer, fewest, hot, hotter, hottest, big, bigger, biggest, thin, thinner, thinnest. And here is fat, fatter, fattest, cold, colder, coldest, great, greater, greatest, bright, brighter, brightest, light, lighter, lightest, lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Dear students, you can write more examples at your own. Dear students, this is all about. Hope you have enjoyed the story. Stay home, stay safe.